Good morning. Well, good afternoon, I guess. We are on our way to a waterfall, which is supposedly pretty hidden, not one of the main tourist waterfalls, so we're really excited. It's about an hour away from Ubud. We didn't vlog this morning because we were busy renting a car, because we didn't want to ride a scooter for an hour here and an hour back, so we decided to rent a car. And we were busy trying to get the car and then trying to get gas and then trying to find our way here. So we didn't vlog, but now we'll start and we'll take you along to the waterfall. Right now you see Mia. She's doing a new experiment for a video we're gonna try and make. She's trying to make a hyperlapse, which if it works out will look really cool and you guys will get to see it soon. We should have brought a tripod. We'll just have to find something to put it on. Indonesian style roadblock. Here, help me. With Max.
Jesse's gonna do that. There are gonna be ants and spiders and everything. Oh. Felt like I had something. Okay.
Those are durian. People here in Asia in general love them, and they supposedly smell terrible. I've never eaten one. I have no clue what they taste like, but I do know that they smell awful. So the path went two ways, and we're not sure which way it is, but there's a sign here that says, "Be careful, slippery." Hati, that means be careful. Hati-hati means be careful in Indonesian. So we're guessing this is the way because we know it's down in a cave, the waterfall. So hopefully this is right. So Mia's went ahead a little bit and she said that we're going the right way. So hopefully this will all be worth it in a few seconds and we'll see this amazing waterfall.
Wow, that was really cool. I love waterfalls. What is this? That was a really cool one, and we came early so that no one was there, and now it's I think already 12 or so. So now people are coming. So if you want to come here, come early. Now we have to walk back through the jungle. This is not easy. Mushrooms. Back or to another waterfall actually, but first Jesse needs some food because he's really hungry, and so we are on a mission to find a lunch place for Jesse. Are you happy now? Yeah. Where are we? We're in a tiny little place in the middle of nowhere, or not in the middle of nowhere, but nowhere that tourists are. Do you feel better now?
Yeah, but that was the spiciest thing I've ever eaten in my life. It wasn't bad food, it was just really spicy, and we ate it all because we didn't want to offend him.
Yeah, so he even gave me a vegetarian meal, So I really wanted to finish it, but I thought in between I would die. I'm just dying of the heat. And my lips were burning so hard, they were so red as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How do they do it? How do people do it? Eating so spicy. I don't get it. I usually never eat spicy, and now on this trip every meal is spicy, but this one really was. This was the spiciest ever. Oh. Okay. Now, let's go to the next waterfall. Yay! Yay, we found it. Google Maps wasn't really helping us much right now. And now we're walking down the stairs, and I think there are a lot of people right now. So hopefully we can take some nice pictures. So there's no water today. I don't know why exactly.
Solve the problem for renovation, irrigation.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And
Renovation,
the
irrigation.
waterfall, another water like this.
Usually like this. Yeah. Ah, okay.
This one.
Why is it closed?
They're fixing something with the irrigation, so
Oh, okay.
they're doing construction.
Okay, so we're just gonna walk around a bit. See the stream. It's still pretty here.
Yeah.
Look at it. Where now, Jesse?
Home.
Okay.
Ubud.
Ubud. Key. Back to the hotel quickly. Because I have to pee.
Did you take my clothing?
Yeah, I took everything. We freshened up and now we're on the market.
Bit late.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hip. Bang it out.
We just got ice cream. And it's so much and it's dripping. I got dragon fruit cinnamon and raw chocolate.
You wanna try it? Can I have a napkin?
Hey guys, so we are hungry again and we're gonna have pizza actually because they have a really nice terrace and they actually have a vegan pizza, so I have to take it. My pizza just came. Where's yours? Looks good. And this is the view.